Are you needing tree cutting in Auckland? Then phone 09 281 3205 or visit arborists.auckland.co.nz for a free tree cutting quote. If you're sick and tired of tradespeople who don't return your calls, then give us a try. We guarantee we'll get back to you. In fact, if your call isn't returned by 10 AM tomorrow morning at the absolute latest, then you'll get $150 off your tree cutting quote. We do all tree cutting, pruning, trimming, right down to stump removal. So if you want quality tree surgeons to shape or cut all tree types, and just as importantly, someone who'll clean up after themselves, pick up the phone and call 09 281 3205 for a free tree cutting quote. Or visit arborists.auckland.co.nz for all your tree cutting needs in Auckland.